When it comes to Rolex alternatives, very few brands have managed to capture that same adventurous spirit quite like Monta. And now, the brand's beloved field watch, the Monta Triumph, just got a serious upgrade. With this latest release, Monta's Explorer-inspired timepiece gets closer than ever to the real deal. Let's take a closer look at why collectors are calling this the Explorer 3. Monta may only have been around since 2016, but the Triumph is the watch that really put them on the map. The brand's clean, rugged design language, often described as Rolex Light, is intentional. After all, Monta's founders are also the masterminds behind Everest Bands, the popular aftermarket strap brand for Rolex watches. Now, the Triumph has entered its second generation, and the upgrades are hard to ignore. First off, the case has grown slightly, now at 40mm, matching the size of Rolex's larger Explorer. The brushed bezel and case sides are gone, replaced with mirror-polished surfaces that add a more refined, luxurious touch. But the biggest change is right on the dial. Gone are the printed numerals of the previous model. In their place, bold, applied 3 and 9 numerals, giving the watch that unmistakable Explorer DNA. Pair that with Monta's exclusive font and broadsword hands, and you get a watch that feels familiar but still distinctly Monta. And let's not forget the lume. There's a ton of Superluminova BGW9 lighting up the dial like a torch in the dark. The new Triumph is thinner than the Rolex Explorer, at just 10.5mm, yet it's twice as water-resistant, boasting a 200-meter depth rating. Add in new crown guards, and you've got a watch that looks just as good in the boardroom as it does on a mountain trail. It also features Monta's signature oyster-style bracelet, with fully articulating links, a beautiful taper, and a micro-adjustable clasp, one of the most comfortable in the business. Inside, you'll find the Monta Caliber M22, a customized Sellita SW300 automatic movement visible through a sapphire caseback, something you'll never see on a Rolex Explorer. Now here's the best part, the price. Even with new US tariffs affecting Swiss imports, Monta has managed to keep the Triumph incredibly affordable at $1,850, and during the pre-order window, you can grab it for just $1,550. For a Swiss-made watch with this level of build quality, finishing, and design pedigree, that's an absolute steal. So, if you've been dreaming of an Explorer but your wallet says otherwise, the Monta Triumph V2 might just be your next best adventure companion. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell us in the comments, would you pick this over a Rolex Explorer?